Distraction. Icon pack applications are tailored for Android users who seek to personalize and elevate the visual appeal of their devices significantly. These apps offer a curated collection of custom-designed icons that replace the standard app icons on the home screen and app drawer, allowing for a one-of-a-kind aesthetic that truly reflects the user's individual style and preferences. The icons typically feature creative and artistic designs, often showcasing vibrant colors and cohesive themes, which enable users to create a visually pleasing and organized interface that stands out. Beyond just icons, many distraction icon pack apps also include complementary wallpapers and widgets that enhance the overall design, providing a complete customization package that transforms the entire look and feel of the device. Users can easily apply these icons through compatible launchers, making the process of redesigning their device's appearance straightforward and accessible, even for those without extensive technical knowledge. Overall, distraction icon pack applications cater to individuals looking to elevate their Android experience by adding distinctive flair and personality to their devices, while also encouraging creativity and self-expression. By utilizing these icon packs, users can enjoy not only enhanced functionality, but also a deeply personal and visually engaging digital environment that reflects their unique taste.